Okay, Heath, here's my plane collection. Most of these from here to here I don't use anymore. I used to use them when I started out woodworking a lot. These are all Stanleys. This is a number 8, number 7, number 6, number 5, 6, 5. Then I have a number 5 here. This is an old number 5. This is a bedrock. They call these bedrock planes. These were like the early Stanley planes. Corrugated soles. I like corrugated soles. Just like the look of them. So this is a 605. And this is a bedrock. Right. These are they're sought after because they're really nice planes. I think that's my only bedrock. The rest of them are just regular Stanleys. And these are my Veritas planes. They're made in Canada. I use these all the time now. This is a jack plane, a smoothing plane, and a small block plane that I put handles on. Yeah, these I use all the time. They're a little rusty, but I mean, when I need them, I need them, you know. These are great planes. This is a low angle plane. And these are all Veritas planes. This is a low angle apron plane. I use this all the time. Like daily. Well, depends what I'm doing. Like daily in the sense that if I'm doing furniture or working with wood or something, not plywood, I use this. I keep this in my apron all the time. It's a good little plane. And this is a rabbit plane, so it's skewed, and it has a fence. It has a little nicker here, right here, that kind of scores the wood. It's good for, a lot of things, cross grain, like doing like end grain and things like that. And this is a Lee Valley too, right? And my planes are a little beat up and rusty, but these are my shoulder planes. This is another Lee Valley. This is a small shoulder plane, like 1/2 inch. And then this is a bigger 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch shoulder plane. This plane is a miniature of these, right? Hold on. It's like the Z scale of these, right? That's that and that's that, right? But it's all metal. It works, and believe it or not, I've used this in projects before. Little tiny like window projects that I'm doing or something. It works awesome, and yeah, I mean, this little thing came in handy so many times. Yeah, you wouldn't think it, but yeah, the N scale shoulder planes. Maybe Z, right? I don't know. But so it's a miniature. And they have a whole lineup of little miniature planes, like block planes, router planes, Veritas does. And they're all usable. They're all, just like they're bigger brothers, but 100% usable. I love that little plane. Comes in handy. What else do I got? I think that's it, man. I think that's all my planes. Yeah, I think so. Yep, yeah, that's all my planes. And again, the ones I use the most are those Veritas planes. I don't use the big Stanley planes anymore. Just once in a while I'll use them, but not that much. So that's, you see them, that's one clamp rack there, clamp wall. They're my small clamps. And then they're my big clamps there. So I didn't know you liked planes, Heath, or Yeah, so, and that rack used to be in that cabinet there. Um, that used to be all my hand tools in there. Now it's like I put books in there and some things like my hand saws and some chisels, some of my chisels, and I think one of those planes used to be my grandfather's. I have a set of chisels that used to be my grandfather's, and I have. Let me flip you this way. Sorry. Uh, this wooden mallet used to be my grandfather's. I added this little handle grip tape to it, but that used to be my grandfather's. Sorry. That's it, man. That's a little tour of my hand planes. Alright, peace.